and result in what many expected to be uncontested local elections. The Constitutional Court's ruling currently blocks the candidacy of President Widodo's 29-year-old son, Kaisang Pangarep, from contesting for deputy governor in Central Java. Not only that, it would also allow former Jakarta Governor Anies Baswedan to run for the again, as parties who initially supported Anies are now part of the major coalition back in Prabowo. Now, amid these protests,
inside Indonesia's national parliament, people are trying to break in the gate. They're lighting tyres on fire. People here are furious. They believe the politicians inside are trying to bend and rig Indonesia's laws for the power of the President Joko Widodo and his family. A bit of context here. There are local elections coming up quite soon in Indonesia. It's widely rumoured that the President's second son, Kaisang Pangarep, wants to run in those elections. The problem is, he's 29. Under the law, you have to be at least 30. Recently, trying to challenge that, but this week, Indonesia's Constitutional Court upheld that law. It also ruled on another matter that would make it